Hello and welcome. I am Iniabasi Bernard from Team TechDom, and today we will be looking at escape sequence in Python. In an example like this, we have print hello there. Now, if we run this code in Python, it's gonna run okay, no problem. We're using a single quote here, right? Okay, so what if we had an example like this? Here we have print what's your name. You find out that in our string we have another quote within our string. So what's going to happen here is, since we're using a single quote, we're enclosing this string in a single quote, and we also have a single quote in our string, we're going to get an error. Python is going to throw back an error at us. This is because Python is confused. It doesn't know where the string ends. It's starting with a single quote. It's also supposed to end with a single quote, but here we have that single quote in our string. So one way we can work around this, we can fix this problem by using double quotes. If we should use a double quote in this case, Python will know that the string ends with a double quote. Let's see an example of this. So we can try the first example. We had print hello there. It was single quotes. I'm going to run this by hitting enter on the keyboard, and we have hello there, no problem. So what if we have what's your name? We run this by pressing enter on the keyboard. Okay, so this is the error we get, showing us the invalid syntax because Python here doesn't know what to do with this code. And we can fix this by enclosing our string in double quotes instead of a single. So I'm going to have this print what's your name, and pressing enter. So we don't get any error here. Another way we can solve this problem is by using what we call escape sequence. Using the escape sequence, we will add this backslash before the quote. So adding this backslash is going to escape this quote. So Python will ignore this quote and print everything out, knowing it's going to end with this other quote here. Alright, let's try to use the escape sequence here. So I'm going to have print what's your name. Okay, over here we are going to add the backslash, so Python will ignore this quote, and this works. We have what's your name. We don't have any error. So we've used the escape sequence here to escape this quote. Okay, we have another example here where we're using the double quotes. In this case, we're trying to show what someone said in quotes. So Wells said run, Berry, run, from the Flash, of course. So we have double quotes here and another one, and our string is enclosed in double quotes, so Python is also going to be confused here. So one way of fixing this is by either using a single quote, that's enclosing our string with a single quote, or we could enclose our string with a triple quote if we don't want to use the escape sequence, but we're still going to use the escape sequence. So this is wrong, and yeah, we're using a single quote. This is going to work well. Or we could also use the triple quote. Let's see this. So I have this. Wells said run, Berry, run. Okay, so I'm going to run this code. Let's run this code. Oh yeah, we get a syntax error. Now let's try to enclose our string with a single quote, with single quotes instead of double quotes. So I'm still going to have this, and let's use a single quote here and also a single quote. Right, this works well, no error. What if we use the triple quote? Just press the up arrow key. So triple. I have a triple quote here and a triple quote. This also works. So if we want to use the escape sequence, we're going to have something like this. We're going to add a backslash here to escape this double quote character, and we're also going to have another backslash here to escape this. So this quote is the escape character because that's what we're escaping. Same with this too. Let's run this and see. So print, could just use the up arrow key and I get back my text. So instead, let's use our double quotes. Now we're going to add our backslash. And we're going to add another one here. Let's run this. Alright, so this works very well. So in this video, we've learned how to use the escape sequence to escape some special characters in a string. If you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to get more content from us. Thank you.